Welcome in, guys. Look what we got in today. This is what we're riding in. Last time I had my van and I was driving in the snow and everything. It messed my transmission up, y'all. Shout out to my boy. He let me use his truck. Man, I had to turn all the lights on, man, so y'all can see it. Okay. Guys, so today's plan, what I'm gonna do is I will have to go to I'm gonna go wash the truck. My boy, man, this thing looks nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I had to turn the lights on so you guys can see it right. You know what I mean? So let's hop in the truck. All right, guys, we back. So I want to keep it like this so you guys can see and enjoy the road. We back. Right now we are just cruising. So let me wash this truck, clean it up, make it look nice so my boy's happy. And I'll pick you guys up when I'm at the car wash.
Over here, be able to wash it and take it through the car wash. So I'm gonna go there. Alright, they need a key for that. So yeah, yes sir. She's clean, y'all. Now let's see like when they're washing the shit. Yes sir. Enjoy watching like when they wash the trucks and cars. So when they go through there, she's nice. Yeah, guys, it's such a beautiful thing. I want to see after. They got a detailing section over here. All right, okay, she's right here, y'all. Let me set my camera. Okay, my camera is hella clean now. Gotta make sure my camera is clean for y'all. So gotta keep it like that, stable. Let's go. Yes, sir. She getting washed up. Now you see the original color of the wheels. She's a monster. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. She's a monster. Imagine if this is a monster, 350. How do you think the Hellcat would be? Oh my god. It'd be crazy. One day, guys, I would never bring my Hellcat through a car wash though. I have to go wash it myself. Inshallah, one day. You see how long this thing is? Yo, this thing is so long, bro. Like, it never ends. See that? I don't know, I'm 6'4". I enjoy driving big trucks. Look, it's not ending. Yes, sir, she's clean. Yes, sir. Got the Euros in here, got the R8. You guys see that? Oh, yes, sir, got the R8. This is definitely my favorite 620 McLaren. I'm not a big fan of Euros. This is, I believe, 650. Let me check it out. I believe it's 650. And that's a Euros. Another Euros right here for you guys. Oh, the truck is going out.
She's clean as hell. Let's go, baby. Look at them wheels. Hell yeah. She's hella clean right now. Let's go, guys. She's clean. My boy is gonna be hella happy. She a monster, I told y'all. This thing is so much fun. With that being said, I'm gonna bring this truck back to my boy. Let's take one final look. Man, this thing came out real nice and clean, bro. It came so beautiful. Yo, this thing is amazing. Yes, sir. Let's do it, baby. One day I'm gonna showing you guys my Hellcat. One day. And my Lambos, my McLaren. Alright guys, thank you so much. God bless you and your family. And I hope you guys stay safe out there. I will see you guys on the next video.